Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to search players in Clash Royale. The first thing is, where can you find Clash Royale? Now, you can find Clash Royale on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and follow through with the on-screen instructions to create or to download and install your Clash Royale application. Now, once you're done downloading the application, it's going to take you right into the battle screen where you're going to be asked to play your demo tournament or you're going to be asked to play your first game. And once you're done with that training phase, it's going to take you right into the Clash Royale home screen, which is here. So now let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to search players in Clash Royale. Now, for you to search players, you need to open up your clan. Like, you need to launch a clan that you belong to. Could either be your clan or a clan that you joined. So check the top left corner. You see this Amy RD gang. So I joined the RD gang clan. So here you have RD gang member. Go ahead and click on that, and it takes you right into this window. So at the right corner where you have leave and you have the search bar. So go ahead and click on the search bar. Once you click on the search bar, you can now go ahead and type in the let's say search a name of a player that you want. So I don't really know the name of the players in here. Okay, so this is somebody, this is Jemima, and these are names. So you just go ahead and click on the person, and this is Jemima, and this is location, trophies, and the main leader. So this is actually a clan in it, and this is like the main leader in this place. That's MIAW. So I can just go ahead and click on this person, and I can now view the profile. So in this RD gang and click on it, so this is my gang. So if I click open this clan, that's this gang, you will see the details of this gang. All right, and you see all the members from here. All right, so if you want to search a player, so you need to you need to search for the clan that the player is in, which is the search bar option that we did the other time. So check for the clan name or the clan tag, and when you look at the clan name or the clan tag, let's say this is Sniggers, so click on that Sniggers, and from Sniggers now you have all the people that belong to this Sniggers clan in here. So you can go ahead and search the player, locate any of the player, tap on it, and can click on view profile to view the player's profile. So that's pretty much the process. That's how you can search for players in Clash Royale. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.